Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a quality townhome development for sale here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. So this is a 3-unit development with each unit having a lot area of approximately 83 square meters and a floor area of 240 square meters across 3 levels. So let's take a quick look right now at the exterior of the house and then head on in. Let's go. Upon entering the property, you see that you have a spacious carport area for 2 vehicles. One of the first things that you notice here is you have a high ceiling, giving it a more open feel. You have a different tone in terms of the color of this wall, making this a nice potential entertainment area also, because you even have different electrical sockets throughout the whole parking area. You also have a faucet here if you want to do your car wash in this area. And if you take a look at the flooring, they really took care to have a textured flooring so that it won't be slippery. So from here, let's head on over to the main entrance. So you already have an automated Yale lock here. Now welcome to your beautiful home. The ground level has a high ceiling and it has a dining, kitchen, and service area. You have immediate access here leading to the second floor, which we will explore later. And if you take a look from this angle, you see that you have a really nice cove ceiling design for your dining area with an open kitchen design. You can imagine having your dining table here and your refrigerator on this side or on this other side. But one of the great features of this house is a spacious service area. So this space has a bathroom for your maid. So they even put in some tiled designs for the whole walls, and you see that this area is partially covered, and you can make this a dirty kitchen laundry area. And on this side, you have the maid's room. So it has a window which lets in natural light from the service area. And let's head on in. Let's now head on over to the second level. You have an additional storage space here underneath the stairs so that every inch of the house is really maximized. And having these windows giving you a view of your parking area is a nice touch. The second level has the master bedroom and a family area which you can convert into a bedroom. You see that it has this really unique wooden partition which gives it a very classy and elegant feel. Now welcome to the second level, and as I explained before, this area can serve as the main living space of the house. you see that it has really nice cove lighting, and it has plenty of space for you to have a really big sofa, and this is where you can have your large widescreen TV, and it's an excellent place to entertain guests. It's also well lit because you have this large window leading to the light well, which gives you additional ventilation and natural light coming all the way from the top of the property. And here you have an additional powder room. We're also marketing this property as a 4-bedroom house because you can potentially close off this area and make this a bedroom. But from here, let's take a look at the first structured bedroom of the house, which is the master bedroom. One of the unique features of the master bedroom is it's divided into 3 areas. You have these 2 doors, one of which is the master bathroom, and this is a walk-in closet space. And once you come in here, you see you have a tempered glass enclosure and even a really cool looking toilet. On this side, you have a spacious vanity sink space, and at the back here, you have additional storage. So from here, you have a separate room which serves as a walk-in closet space. So I'm just showing you the specific size. And this is great because there's no way that the moisture coming from the bathroom can reach this area. And here you have the master bedroom proper. So what's really nice, it has this large sliding door with a balcony, and you even have the cove lighting again. So this is a very well lit space, and if I open this up, so you see that this is a really nice spot which increases ventilation for the space, and if you just want a nice breeze in the mornings or in the evenings. Let's now head on over to the 3rd level. The 3rd level has a provision here for a light fixture. So if you get an interior designer or you have your own choices for the lighting, it's up to you on how you can light this entire space up. This 3rd level has 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. So if we're going to count the master bedroom as the 1st bedroom, this is the 2nd one. So you have this room which is very spacious. You can maximize this as a home office or as an additional den space if you don't need to use it as a bedroom. It has this large oversized window here, and you have this room here which serves as a walk-in closet space. So once I step in, you see that they put a nice touch here of having windows so that you still have natural light coming in here. You can even use this as a linen closet para sa mga punda and for mga blankets. So from here, let's take a look at the 3rd bedroom. Before we head on over there, let me have a quick look here at the shared bathroom. So you see that the shared bathroom has a very similar structure, almost identical to the master bedroom downstairs. You have the same tempered glass enclosure here. The difference is the master bedroom has a really different and unique toilet. But in terms of the whole sink space, it's very similar. And now, here we have the 3rd bedroom. So the third bedroom is quite spacious also, and you have built-in cabinetry here. And this room is even slightly bigger than the master bedroom downstairs because they didn't make the walk-in closet space into a separate room, which gave you more space for the actual area for the bed and other appliances and furniture here. So if you want, you can even make this your master bedroom if you'd like. Here you have a provision for a window type air conditioning unit, but you can easily close this off and replace it with a split type air conditioning unit. And once you open up the sliding door, you once again have an identical balcony space just like the bedroom in the second level. If you're thinking about the height of the railing here, especially if you have kids, my height is about 5 feet 10 inches. So if you're about 5 feet in height, you're already about this high. So this is a very decent and safe height for the barrier here. For the property features, it has 3 bedrooms convertible to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-vehicle carport, a dining and kitchen area, a maid's room, a service area, and 2 balconies. And all this just 10 minutes away from Mindanao Avenue. We hope you enjoyed this quick property tour video for this 3 convertible to 4 bedroom townhome development for sale located here in Quezon City, Metro Manila, very near Mindanao Avenue. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Facebook or Instagram. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this well-designed 3-unit, accessible townhome development for sale near Mindanao Avenue and Congressional Avenue, Quezon City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.